Okay, so guys, hi. Um, so I'm gonna look at my old photos because I'm on my old iPad. And these were my first photos I ever took in Animal Jam, and I'm actually kind of scared to see them. So yeah. Oh no. No, no, this one hits hard. Oh my god, I remember taking this December 2017. You could obviously tell it's not 2020 because the calendar was there that year. So no, that hits hard, man. And I could prove it to you too, because I still have my reindeer surgery. Okay, this is Go Egg, little puppy dog. It's very special to me. I adopted him in 2017 when I first got sapphires. Okay, this is my little surgery. Yeah, little buddy. I don't know why I first got sapphires in 2017, but I did. This is also Sunny Sky, my first ever pet I adopted. Or was that my pet pony? Yeah, it was my kitty. Yeah. Oh, get out. Okay. Let's keep looking. Yes, when the Phantom Dimension came out. I remember that poor bear. I was like, oh god. Hold on. I'm gonna check when it came out. Oh no, my iPad unplugged. It's gonna die in like 1 second. Okay, I charge it. Okay. Gonna go on Google search it right now. Raise this. Okay, charging. Okay, I'm gonna go Google search it right now. When did the Phantom Dimension? I spelled that wrong, didn't I? Dimension come out on Animal Jam. Okay, it was 2018, November 4th, 2018. Hold on, I'm reading. Okay, so California. No, it came out at 10. Came out at 10 p.m. Eastern time. Okay. Yeah. Oh no, who am I? I forgot. I'm not the penguin. Okay, no, just told you that. And I'm not anyone pink. No, I took this when the hyenas first came out, man. No, man. The Night of the Phantoms hit hard, man. I barely used any paintsies to knock out the black holes, whatever. I forgot what they were. I farted. Okay. Oh, what's your name? Okay. So I'm the Arctic wolf in the middle. I think the coyote was the brave spirit wolf, and the fox was Toast. You don't know who I'm talking about. So this is the brave spirit wolf. Hold on. She owns Royal Whispers now. Ever since Shaw's quit. Okay, this is the brave spirit wolf. She used to be my best friend, but we broke up because she lied about me, and I'm still mad at her to this day. That's a story for another time. I'm not gonna share it now. I still talk to her at times, but they're very rude but nice. Why is my mom vacuuming? It's her bedtime. What an idiot. Okay. Well, that could be my dad. I don't know. Oh, this is somebody's birthday party on Animal Jam. I don't know why I have this, but I do. Okay. No, not this one. Oh my god. No. Okay. So this was like a long time ago when I was rich and I scammed people, and I was pink because I had an idol. I forgot her name. I think it was One Howling Wolf or something. No, it wasn't One Howling Wolf. I forgot. I just loved her, and then I did a sample of her look. So yeah, it's weird. Oh, I forgot to show you Toast. Okay. Yeah, this is her. But you can't find her anywhere because she quit. Hold on. I think I still have. I think I have her on my blocked. Yeah, here. This is her. You know any of them? Can you please tell me, because I want to tell you something about Brave and not just Brave, just Brave, not Toast. I don't think Toast did anything. Only Brave did bad. Okay. So yeah, I don't know why you clicked on this video, but thank you for doing it. So idiots, bye.